How you doing, folks? This is Ross Custom Muscle Cars. Today we're checking out a super nice 67 Chevelle SS 396. It is a clone. They did a super nice job on the car. The car was restored a few years back. It's done in torch red, base coat, clear coat. It's all sanded smooth. Car's really straight on the sides. See the grille and headlight bezels, excellent condition. Front bumper's been re-chromed. You can see the car's real straight. Nice down the sides. All the panel fitment's nice. It's got a set of 18-inch chrome 10-spoke wheels, 18/8 up front and 18/8.5 out back. Super nice car. All the moldings and the trim on the back of the car has all been replaced. Rear bumper was re-chromed. Got a new tinted windshield in it. All the other glass is a factory original and excellent condition. It's got the dual bow tie mirrors. It's got updated with four-wheel disc brakes. It's got lowering coils all around, front and rear sway bars. It's a 396, 375 horse. It's got vintage AC and heat. The power four-wheel disc. It's got power steering. Nice aluminum radiator with dual fans. Got 350 turbo trans. All the jams look real nice. Interior's all been replaced. It's got the factory gauge package in the dash. 3-spoke sport wheel. Headliner's real nice and tight. Seats were all reupholstered. New carpet. It's got front and rear seat belts. This is an all original panel car, real solid car. Got a folder with some paperwork. See the trunk and everything's real nice. It's original trunk floor. Got rear mount antenna. Got a retrofit AM/FM stereo with iPod capability. Nice center console. They mounted a tach in the console where the clock used to be. Nice touch. The gate or the bezels and everything for the air conditioning vents, they're all real nice in the dash. The thing fires right up. The car's a blast to drive. Got headers, duals, flow masters out the back. Backup lights and everything work. You can check out our complete inventory at rosscustomsmi.com. You can also visit us at 8180 South State Road, Goodrich, Michigan. Perfect stance, lowered down just right. Okay, folks.